You have the book.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So today we are wrapping up with uh, the logarithm.
Log.
Yes, we are
Okay.
wrapping up with it so that we can do relations and functions. Or yeah, relations.
Okay.
All right. So we are continuing from log. So if you are given a question like log to the base to 8, I told you that to solve a question like this, first of all, make sure that the base and the number are equal. So log to the base to 2 to the power 3. You know that 2 to the power 3 is 8. Now when you have such, this 3 will fall behind the log number. So we get 3 log base 2 to the number 2. And I told you that log of the same base to the same number is equal to 1. So from here we get 3 into bracket 1 equal to 2. That's the answer. Do you understand?
I do.
Okay. So if you are given a question like log base 3 to the number 81, it becomes log 3 to the power 4. This 4 will fall to the back of the log. So we get 4 log 3 to the base 3, which is equivalent to 4 into bracket 1, which is 4. I believe you understand this one.
I do.
Alright.
Yeah, I do.
Now, if you are given log 381 minus log 327, you know what we get? Here will be log 3 to the power 3. Sorry. Log 3 to the number, log 3, base 3 minus log 3 to the power 3 is 3, right? So this number will fall here, this one will fall here. You know that 3 to the power 3 is 27. 3 times 3 times 3. This will give you 9.
Yeah,
3
yes,
times
please.
27. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, so we get 4 log 3 base 3 minus 3 log 3 base 3. So we get 4 into bracket 1 minus 3 bracket 1, which is equivalent to what? 1. This will give us 4, this will give us 3, which is please do you understand?
Yes, please,
4
I do.
times 1 is 4, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 minus 3.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take another question. When you given log 216 plus log 28, you know 16 will be log 2 to the power 4. Oh,
Yeah, I was saying log 2 to the power 4.
yes, base 2 plus log 2 to the power 3 base 2. You know 2 to the power 3 is 8. So this 3 will fall here, then the 4 will fall here. So we get 4 log 2 2 plus 3 log 2 2. So this will give us 4 into bracket 1 plus 3 into bracket 1, which is what? 7. Please you understand?
Yes, please.
Okay. See, these ones are very simple, but they are not that simple. Let me see whether I'll get a bit complicated question for us to try.
Oh, okay.
So there's this question. It says that simplify log 3 to 4 plus log 15 base 3 minus log 10 base 3. I think this one will be a bit complicated. You know that when they have the same base and they are adding, you can multiply, right?
Yeah, you said when they have the same base and you can multiply them.
Yes. And when they are subtracting, you can divide.
Yeah.
So the whole of this is equivalent to this. So what do we get? 15 times 24 is 360. So we get log 3 bracket 360 over 10. And 0 cancels 0, so we get log 36 base 3. Is how we good?
Yeah, we are good.
Okay. So from here, we can say that this will give us 3, 6 to the power 2. So this 2 come here. We get 2 log 3, 6. And that's the answer. You can find log to the base 3, 6 on the calculator.
Okay.
3, 6 is 1 point something. So therefore we can get 2 into brackets 1.6309, and we multiply it by 2 to get our answer, which is 3.2618. Okay, 3.261.
Okay.
Are you aware that they are writing I next week?
Yeah, I am.
So will you go and write it?
I will. I have no choice.
So we have log 5, 3 over 8 plus 2 log 5, 4 over 5 minus log to the base 5, 2 over 5. Now, with this, you know that this middle one, it can be rewritten as 5, 3 over 8 plus log 5 bracket 4 over what? 5 squared minus log 2 over 5. Please, you understand?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now, from here, 4 to the power 2 is 16. So we get log 5, 3 over 8 plus log 5 4 to the power 2 is 16. 5 to the power 2 is 25. Minus log 2 over 5. Now, since they are adding, we can multiply. So far as the bases are the same, we can multiply. So this becomes 3 over 8 times 16 over what? 25. Now, this is subtraction. So it is what? Division. Divided by 5 over 2. Please, you understand?
Yes, please.
Good. So we get log 5. So when we change division to multiplication, it means that we get 3 over 8 times 16 over 25 times, this is 2 over 5, not 5 over times 2 over 5. So this becomes 5 over 2. So from here, 8 will go here 1, go here 2. 5 will go into 5 once, it goes here 2. Now 2 will go into itself 1, go here 1. So we'll be left with 3 and 2. So therefore, our final answer becomes log 5 into bracket 3 over 2.
Sorry, Mr. Paul, can you go over the one you just did right now? I
Oh,
couldn't get it.
I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. 5 will go. Let me go back. Let me
Okay.
5 will go here 5 times, not 2. 5.
Yeah, that's what I was finding confusing. I was like,
5 will go here 5 times. 5, 5, 25. Okay, 5 will go into 5, 5 times. So we get 3 over 5 instead of 3 over 2. Okay, so here have 5. I was a mistake. Do you understand now?
yeah, I
5.
do. Yeah, I do.
Okay. So from here, get log, we can split it. 5. Oh, what is they are not in a good. The base is rather 5. So we get log to the base 5, 3 minus the splitting. So it's division. So it becomes what? Subtraction.
Yeah.
5 base 5. Now, from here, you know that when the num when we have log the same number of the same base, we get 1. Thus, log 5 base 5 is equal to 1. So we get the final answer becomes log 3 to the base 5 minus 1 because this side is equal to 1. You understand?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, all right. Log to the base 2 to bracket x squared minus 5x, not plus, it's minus 10. Okay, minus 10 should be equal to 2. So when you are given a question like this, how do you do it? From here, what do you do? You're
You
finding the
said
value.
since you can't do anything about the log to the base 2, You send the anti-log to the other side.
Okay, so that's what I wanted. You take that, okay, by sending the base to the other side. So we
Yeah.
get x squared minus 5x minus 10 being equal to e to the power 2. So from here we get x squared minus 5x minus 10 being equal to 4. Then bring this here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the 4 will come here. We get x squared. So 10 minus 4 being equal to 0. So here will give us x squared minus 5x minus 14 being equal to 0. So from here we can use the general quadratic equation formula, which is minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I told you to watch my videos on quadratic equation. Did you do that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, so you saw this formula.
Yeah, I saw it, but I didn't understand it too.
Oh, so we are going to use that formula. Minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now I'm saying that the a is the coefficient of the x squared, and here it is 1. You know coefficients, the number in front
Yeah.
of the variable. Coefficient
Yeah.
of x squared is 1, coefficient of b is minus 5, and the constant number is what? Minus 14.
14. Yeah, sorry.
So from here, we solve it. So x will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus roots minus 5 squared minus 4 into bracket 1 bracket minus 14 all divided by 2a. A is 1. So this is what we get. Now 5 squared, sorry, 5 times 5 give us 5. Sorry, negative 1, negative 5 give us 5.
Yeah.
Now this side 5 will give us 25. Since it is a bracket, it's like negative 5 times negative 5 will still give us 25. Yeah,
Okay.
negative 4 times negative 14. Now, negative 4 times negative 14 will give us 16. Okay, so we get 56 positive. Negative positive. We get 56
Yeah.
positive. Let me see later. Let me see. I want to be sure. 4 times 14, 56 good. Plus 25, 81. So we get 81 all over 2. So yeah, we get 5. My 2 and my distance is too big. So we get x to the 5 plus the square root of 81 all over 2. And you know square root of 81. Yes, plus or minus. Plus or minus. Okay. You know it's plus or minus. So plus or minus.
Yeah.
So when we are sticking to addition, 5 plus 81 squared is 9 all over 2. So 5 plus 9 is what? 14.
5 plus
Divided by
9 is
will give us
14.
7.
Yeah.
And also x 5 minus 9 over 2. So here will give us minus 4 over 2, which is what? Minus 2. So therefore the answer for x, the answers for x are minus 2 and 7 respectively.
Okay.
Okay, so I believe we are getting what we are doing. Should we try another one or should we go? We should. It's okay. Kobe, let's try this.
Yeah, we should try it now because my phone is getting almost off. So
Log x minus 8 being equal to 1 plus log x plus 1. Kobe, what do we do?
um, they don't have any bases together. So
They have a base. The base is base 10, but base 10
you
cannot
didn't write
write.
it.
Yes.
Uh,
So this is what you do. First of all, you have to transform the logs to the same side. So you get log 10
okay.
x minus 8 minus log 10 x plus 1 being equal to 1. So what do we do now?
Divide.
Good. So we get x. You see, you are getting it.
Yeah, I am.
Not difficult. X minus 8 divided by x plus 1 being equal to 1. So the 10 here, what do we do? From here, what do we do?
We send it to where the one is,
Yes,
since the anti-log. So
yes. So we get x minus 8 divided by x plus 1 being equal to what? 10 to the power 1. And we do what we call cross multiplication. So let me take a new slide. So we got x minus 8 divided by x plus 1 being equal to 10. So by cross multiply, we get x minus 8 being equal to 10x plus 1. Okay, you understand the cross multiplication?
yeah, I do.
Okay. So x minus 8 being equal to 10x plus 10. This will come here. We get x minus 10x, okay, being equal to 10 plus 8. So here we get minus 9x being equal to 18. Divide here by minus 9. Divide here by minus 9. This will cancel this. We get x will be equal to negative 2.
That'll be two.
Yes. But the negative will affect the 2. So we get
Okay.
Corey, let me test your minds on what we've done so far. Okay.
Okay.
Something like indices. 3, 2x plus 3 minus 3x plus 2 minus 3x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Hey, the writing is too big. Let me it's too big. Alright. So 3, 2x plus 3.
Is this on logarithm or what we've learned so far?
Yeah, indices and logarithm. This is indices. and logarithm 3x plus 1 plus 1 being equal to 12. This is indices. You see, there is no lot attached to it. This is the power of exponential equations. So, how do you
Okay.
do it? Or you forgot?
Um, they all have the same basis, right? So we
Look at this one.
multiply. You said?
This, they don't have the same base. Look at one. One is not 3.
Oh, yeah.
So, let me show you. I know you forgot. We can split. You see, I told you that anytime you have something like this, like for instance, a m times a n, it could be written as a m plus n. So this one would mean that it is 3 to the power this times 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 1 plus 1 being equal to 0. So from here, you can say let 3 to the power x be equal to, let's say, m. So everywhere you see 3 to the power x, write m. So here you can see 3 to the power x times 2. So it will be m squared for this times 3 to the power 3 minus m times 3 to the power 2 minus m times 3 to the power 1 plus 1 being equal to 0. Kobe, do you understand?
Yeah. So far, so good.
Okay. Now, m squared, this will give us 9 minus m. Oh, sorry, 21, not 9. So 3 to the power 3 will give us 27, not 29. So here we get, there we get 9. 3 to the power 2 is 9 minus m times 3 plus 1 being equal to 0. So here 27m squared minus 9m minus 3m plus 1 being equal to 0. So 27m squared minus, when we add, we get what? 12m plus 1 should give us 0. So we can use this formula to get all over 2a. Okay. So what is our
Okay.
a? I just taught you. What is a? What becomes our a? Call. Are you writing
Hello, hello.
alongside? Are you
Yeah, I
writing?
was saying m squared.
The a is the coefficient of m squared, the number in front of m squared.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. 27. Sorry.
Yeah. And the b will be the coefficient of m, which is 12, and the c is the constant number, which is 1. So from here we get
Yeah,
x
sorry.
equals minus 12 plus or minus square roots minus 12 squared minus 4 bracket bracket 7 bracket 27 bracket 1 all over 2 brackets 1. So here we get x being equal to negative negative give us positive 12 plus
Positive. Yeah.
root of 12 is 144. Now, minus 4 times 27.
-4 times 20. I'm coming.
Minus 4 times 27 times 1.
That'll be -108.
That's
A
minus 1.
positive 108.
No, it will be negative
Yeah. Oh, negative. Okay.
divided by 2. So 144 minus 108 is what?
144 minus 108 will be is it? No, it's I think it will be 14 or
36.
oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, my phone is almost going out.
Because I want us to finish this.
Yeah, below.
So our x will be what?
Let me just say when I want inside. I'm coming, please. My grandma is.
Okay, so here we get 12. The square root of 36 is 6. 6, 6, 36. So plus or minus. So we start with a plus. So 12 plus 6 divided by 2 will give us 12 plus 6 is 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And also x being equal to 12 minus 6 divided by 2. So 12 minus 6 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. So therefore the answers are x is equal to 3 or 9. So when we get this, we are not done. Because we let x equals, sorry, the answers, it should be m instead of x. I was using x because the formula always uses x. Okay, so it should be m. So m is 3 or 9. So because we let 3 to the power x being equal to m, we should we should equate it back. So we say that when m is 3, 3x will be equal to 3. So by comparison, the bases are equal. So 3 is to the power 1. So therefore x is equal to 1. Then the second one, when x when m is 9. So here we get 3x being equal to 9. And 3x equals 3 to the power 2. So from here, by comparison, x is equal to 2. Okay, so today we are done for today. Thanks for joining. It's bye bye for now.